gentlemen,
Hi, this is Dr. Rogu from RBK Pediatrics in Comac and Bayshore. I just want to introduce you to our new Bayshore renovation and upgrade. We took over the Montessori daycare, and it'll be now a big RBK expansion. Let's show you some of the furniture that we got that's being installed right now. We have some really nice looking cabinets that's being installed. We'll have, this is a Buildout our PA. Our phones, our computers will be here. Come inside. Don't be afraid of us. Look at the wall colors that we have. We're going down the hallway a little bit. We got another room here. We're going with that purple and that blue and that green theme like we have in our Comac office to make it almost look identical. We'll be getting rid of the floors. Here's a nice bright room, which is the green. Look at the green walls over here, green colors. So I think we're gonna have an extra 8 rooms. We're going down, we're gonna break through this area. That's gonna be a pass through right to the old Bayshore office. So it'll be one monster office. We have a doctor's office over here. Over here, this is going to break through to the office, into the laboratory, into room number 9. So goodbye, room number 9. This is all going to open up, and it'll be one big laboratory. We have another room over here. You can see better the furniture. Look at the furniture over here. Nicer color. It looks just like the Comac 500 building. We already got our phone set up, so I would give it another month. And I think this place is going to be live also. So visit us in Comac, visit us in Bayshore, in the urgent cares, rbkpediatrics.com. We do everything. Primary care when you want it, urgent care when you need it, telemedicine, COVID shots, vaccines, everything. Have a good day.